Hello, my name is Aaron Heineman, the Inorganic Product Line Leader for PerkinElmer. I'm here today to introduce the new PerkinElmer NexION 5000 multi-quadrupole inductively coupled plasma mass spectrometer. The NexION 5000 multi-quadrupole ICP-MS is the industry's first four-quadrupole system. The NexION 5000 builds off the very successful NexION 2000 platform as a benchtop ICP-MS designed with high versatility, low maintenance, and ease of use in mind. With its tandem four-quad design, the NexION 5000 can easily switch between single quad, triple quad, and multi-quad modes. At the heart of this multi-quad instrument is the universal cell technology, utilizing dynamic bandpass tuning to optimize the ion molecule chemistry for exceptional interference removal. The innovatively designed system was developed to address the most challenging applications, taking ICP-MS performance beyond high-resolution ICP-MS and traditional triple quad technology, with unmatched matrix tolerance to deliver exceptionally low detection limits and BECs, under 1 part per trillion for most of the periodic table. The NexION 5000 ICP-MS also benefits from a range of tried and tested proprietary technologies. Let's start with the sample introduction. The sample introduction cassette system on the NexION series is called Smart Intro. They are designed for easy handling for all users with lightweight and compact design. The color coding ensures that you have the correct configuration for your sample types. Once the sample is nebulized and a fine aerosol is introduced into the inductively coupled plasma, robust ionization is ensured with NexION's 34 MHz RF plasma generator, and it is the only generator designed specifically for ICP-MS. The accurate and rapid impedance matching of this generator delivers unmatched stability and matrix tolerance through the patented LumaCoil technology. The instrument's matrix tolerance is further enhanced by PerkinElmer's all-powerful all-matrix solution, or AMS for short. This built-in feature of the NexION series allows you to use aerosol dilution to minimize matrix suppression and reduce deposition on cones when running samples with high total dissolved solids. Using AMS, bench-level dilutions are minimized and runtime is maximized because of the lower cone deposition, maximizing productivity. This novel RF coil design is guaranteed for the life of the instrument and requires no water or gas to cool it, unlike older technologies that use copper load coils, which are malleable and tend to oxidize if they are not properly cooled or are in corrosive environments. Copper coils will degrade and will eventually need to be replaced. This is not the case with a solid aluminum load coil. PerkinElmer's proven plasma lock system ensures that there is no requirement for grounding with a platinum torch shield or use of a bonnet on the torch. Plasma lock technology prevents secondary discharge and increases the life of the torch and cones. Beyond the sample introduction is the interface region. The NexION 5000 is fitted with PerkinElmer's second generation wide aperture triple cone interface enhanced with the OmniRing technology. The use of wide aperture cones offers unparalleled resistance to clogging, even when analyzing tough matrices with greater levels of dissolved solids or other materials that could occlude the orifices. The NexION series offers a simple selection of cones, either all nickel or with a platinum core. There is no need to have different inserts or base materials. The wide aperture and nickel base provide best-in-class performance. The triple cone system provides low maintenance by staging the vacuum and filtering out unwanted materials extracted from the plasma. In addition, the OmniRing is simple to clean. It's just one piece. There's no need to clean complex extraction lenses and ion guides similar to what is found in other ICP-MS designs. The NexION 5000's first quadrupole, the Quadrupole Deflector. It replaces the traditional lens systems used in older ICP-MS designs. This design not only completely eliminates photons and neutral species, but it also aids in ion beam cleanup by ejecting ions which are outside of the mass range of interest. What's best about this? No lenses to clean and less instrument downtime. The next quadrupole is an analyzing quadrupole, capable of resolution down to 0.3 atomic mass units. It controls what enters the NexION's unique universal cell, which is the third quadrupole in the system. This powerful and dynamic reaction cell with dynamic bandpass tuning controls the reaction chemistries within the cell and can be used to selectively attenuate high concentration analytes. We call the ability to attenuate individual masses EDR, or extended dynamic range. This is unique to the NexION system and can save your detector from high rates of ion impacts to help ensure you don't have detector saturation when analyzing major elemental components in your sample. The fourth quadrupole, the NexION's second analytical quadrupole, controls what reaches the detector. And like the first analyzer quadrupole, this can work in mass filtering or ion transmission modes. The combination of these four quadrupoles is an industry first, resulting in analytical performance beyond triple quadrupole designs. Last but not least is PerkinElmer's Syngistics for ICP-MS software. This advanced interface is ready for any challenge. From setting up a simple semi-quantitative run to a fully quantitative method with multiple modes of operation, such as collision, reaction, mixed gas reaction, and cold plasma, all in one method. Syngistics for ICP-MS can do it. In addition, we offer add-ons for single nanoparticle analysis, single cell analysis, and elemental speciation. And for those that need 21 CFR Part 11 compliance, or just some way to control user access permissions, we also offer enhanced security versions. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to enjoy the rest of the NexION series video library. For absolute confidence in your results, choose the NexION 5000, performance to the power of 4.